Kia ora team, I'm Georgia from Mooch Style. We've recently finished our laundry renovation and have so many storage options. Today I'm going to be showing you how we label everything using the Brother P-Touch Cube. Before you jump into your organising, here are my top tips. So the first thing you want to do is measure the inside of your cupboard spaces and just jot this down. This is going to make it easier so you can buy the right sized containers for your cupboard. The second tip would be to decide where you want things to go. So your everyday items you'd want within arm's reach, and your linen and sheets that you don't use so often can be tucked away in the linen cupboard. The next step is to source your containers. We headed down to Bunnings. They had a great range, so we could keep it cohesive through the whole laundry. Now it's time for organising. So you put those beautiful new containers into your laundry and start filling them up with your products. And my fifth and final tip is labelling. So you're going to want to pick yourself up one of these Brother P-Touch cubes. This is where we're at. Let's get started. I have just put the new tape in. We are using the 24mm clear tape with the black writing. You control the P-Touch cube off an app on your phone. It's easy to change the font, the size, and you can even add emojis. Awesome, so my label has printed, so I'm going to peel the backing off and stick it onto my container. And this is our linen cupboard. So I've organised it based on the things we use every day. The linen's up the top because we don't use that as often. And we've got our towels, face cloths and gym cloths within reach. I have pre-printed the labels, so I'm going to go ahead and stick them on. They're really easy to peel. They've got a split in the middle so it comes off nice and easily. And there we have it team, laundry organisation using the Brother P-Touch cube. What I love about it the most is you can just use it straight off your mobile phone. You don't need batteries, you plug it in with a USB to charge it, and you can get creative with the tape colour, text and also the fonts. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and any questions just pop them down below.